Hello, everyone. Today's lesson is fascinating. How can a caterpillar turn into a butterfly? There's a process for a caterpillar to become a butterfly. Let's start. Here's a caterpillar. It's long and it crawls on the leaves. Caterpillars move slowly, step by step. They have many little legs to help them move. There are many different types of caterpillars. This one has got horns. Amazing! This one is covered in shiny blue spots. Wow, this one looks really hairy. Look at this one, it's so fluffy. Caterpillars love to eat green leaves all day. They're always hungry. They eat so much because they're getting ready to become butterflies. One day, the caterpillar stops eating and hangs from a branch. It becomes a chrysalis. Inside, something magical is happening. The caterpillar is changing. After some time, a butterfly comes out. Wow, look at its beautiful wings. Butterflies have big wings that help them fly. They have 6 legs and 2 antennae. They love flowers. They drink sweet nectar with their long tongue. Butterflies love flying through lavender fields. They go from flower to flower. When they find a flower they like, they perch on it. Then they keep flying somewhere else. You can find butterflies in all colors and sizes. Butterflies lay eggs on leaves. From the eggs, little caterpillars hatch. And the life cycle starts again. So this is how a caterpillar turns into a beautiful butterfly. Now you know this process which is called metamorphosis. If you liked the video, press like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.